The Sealey 20V cordless 3-in-1 garden tool is designed to make trimming and gardening quick and easy. The ergonomic design and lock-in function make it comfortable and easy to use. Supplied with 3 attachments, including a grass shearing blade, a raker and a hedge trimmer blade for light trimming. The tool's interchangeable functions means switching between attachments is effortless. With a running time of 13 minutes on a 2Ah battery, 25 minutes on a 4Ah battery and 40 minutes on a 6Ah battery. Part of the SV20 series offering a one battery fits all solution, keeping costs down without compromising on performance. The Sealey 20V cordless 3-in-1 garden tool, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.